If you've ever driven past an Aldi and thought, what even is that place? You're not alone. To many shoppers, Aldi looks like a strange, bare-bones grocery store with unfamiliar products, weird policies, and a coin slot in the shopping carts. But to savvy, budget-conscious people, especially the kind who follow Spend Smart, Aldi is something else entirely. It's a hidden gem, a secret weapon, a place where you can cut your weekly grocery bill dramatically without sacrificing quality. Today, we're diving deep into the real Aldi, not the one people think they know. We'll explore the hidden reasons why Aldi's prices are so low, the clever strategies behind how they run their stores, and how smart shoppers are using Aldi to save hundreds, even thousands of dollars each year. This isn't your average grocery store, and by the time we're done, you'll know exactly how to use it to your advantage. So, if you're tired of high food prices, overwhelmed by endless choices at big box stores, or just curious about what Aldi is really all about, this guide is for you. Let's open the door to one of the smartest ways to grocery shop in America today and discover why Aldi is quietly becoming the budget shopper's best-kept secret. 1. Aldi's genius business model. Why it's so cheap. One of the biggest questions new Aldi shoppers ask is, how are their prices so low? And it's a fair question. When you walk through those automatic doors and see name brand equivalents selling for 30% to 50% less than the big guys, it feels almost suspicious. But there's no catch. Aldi's low prices aren't a gimmick. They're the result of an obsessively efficient business model. First, Aldi keeps things simple. Unlike major supermarkets that carry tens of thousands of items, Aldi limits its product range to about 1,600 carefully selected essentials. Instead of giving you 20 brands of ketchup, they offer 1 or 2, and they make sure it's good. Fewer choices might seem restrictive at first, but it actually makes the shopping experience faster, more focused, and more affordable. By buying and stocking fewer items, Aldi saves on storage, staffing, shipping, and shelf space. And you save money. Another secret to Aldi's success is its focus on private label products. Around 90% of what you see in the store is an Aldi-owned brand. These aren't just random generics, they're quality-controlled, often sourced from the same factories as national brands, but sold under different labels at a much lower price. This allows Aldi to control the supply chain from top to bottom, ensuring consistent quality and eliminating costly middlemen. For you, that means the same great taste at a fraction of the price. The stores themselves are also designed with one thing in mind: cost efficiency. Aldi locations are typically smaller than traditional grocery stores, which means less overhead. Shelves are stocked quickly using the same boxes the products arrived in. There's no fancy decor, no background music, no massive signage, just essentials displayed simply and strategically. Even the shopping carts reflect their philosophy. You insert a quarter to use one, and when you return it, you get your quarter back. This little system eliminates the need for cart collectors and keeps parking lots tidy. It's a small detail that saves big over time. Staffing is another area where Aldi stands out. A typical Aldi store might have only a handful of employees on shift at a time, but each one is cross-trained to do everything from checking out customers to restocking shelves. Aldi pays those employees a bit more than average, but because each worker is highly productive, the overall labor cost is still lower than competitors. The result is a lean, fast, and responsive store experience that keeps prices down without cutting corners on service. What many people don't realize is that Aldi is a global powerhouse. It's a German company with over 12,000 stores worldwide, including more than 2,000 in the United States. With that scale comes enormous buying power. Aldi can source products internationally, negotiate better supplier deals, and avoid the markup that comes with U.S. food distribution systems. Whether it's gourmet European chocolate or fresh imported cheeses, Aldi's global connections help them deliver premium quality at prices American shoppers can't believe. So, when you wonder how Aldi manages to undercut even stores like Walmart and Target, the answer is simple. They've built their entire system around being lean, focused, and radically efficient. It's not a marketing trick. It's a full-blown grocery revolution. And if you understand how it works, you can use it to change the way you shop forever. 2. Aldi Shopping Hacks. How to shop smart and save big. Shopping at Aldi becomes even more rewarding when you understand the little strategies that experienced shoppers use to stretch every dollar. The best day to shop is Wednesday, when Aldi restocks shelves and releases their limited-time offers known as Aldi Finds. These are seasonal or specialty products sold at unbeatable prices, from kitchen tools to organic snacks and even home goods, but they sell out fast, so timing your visit matters. The center aisle where these products are displayed has earned the nickname the Aisle of Shame, not because of embarrassment, but because many shoppers walk in for bread and milk and walk out with inflatable pools, Dutch ovens, or scented candles they never intended to buy, and sometimes that's exactly where the best deals are. Smart shoppers also make full use of Aldi's generous, twice-as-nice return policy. If you don't like something, Aldi not only refunds your money, but also replaces the item, which takes all the risk out of trying new store-brand products. Don't forget your bags. Aldi doesn't provide free ones, and while that might seem inconvenient, it's a deliberate choice to keep costs down, which helps maintain low prices store-wide. Similarly, you'll need a quarter to unlock a shopping cart, which reduces labor costs since there's no need to hire staff to collect carts in the parking lot. Even checkout is faster thanks to products designed with multiple barcodes, allowing cashiers to scan items quickly, keeping lines short and efficient. And if you're serious about saving, build your grocery list around Aldi's core offerings. Staples like eggs, milk, pasta, beans, rice, and seasonal produce are priced low all year, giving you a solid base for meal planning. Finally, always check for the clearance racks, often tucked away near the back or sides of the store. That's where you'll find short-dated items or overstocked goods marked down steeply, sometimes by half or more. Put all of this together, and you've got a recipe for serious weekly savings. 3. Aldi versus Walmart versus Target, the price battle that matters. When it comes to price wars, Aldi doesn't just compete with giants like Walmart and Target. In many essential categories, it wins outright, and the difference is often more dramatic than people expect. For everyday staples like milk, eggs, and bread, Aldi regularly offers prices that are 20% to 40% lower than its big-name rivals, and that gap adds up quickly when you're feeding a family. Organic products are another battleground, and Aldi's Simply Nature line, which includes items like grass-fed beef, non-GMO snacks, and organic produce, often comes in several dollars cheaper than similar items at Walmart or Target, despite being held to strict sourcing standards. Even snack foods and pantry basics like peanut butter, pasta, or frozen vegetables are frequently cheaper at Aldi, largely because the store cuts out national brand premiums and packaging costs. In blind taste tests, Aldi's store-brand chips, cereal, and even chocolate have performed just as well, if not better, than well-known competitors, proving that the savings don't mean sacrificing flavor. Where Walmart and Target might shine is in selection. They offer more variety, more brand names, and expanded services like pharmacies and electronics, but if your goal is to get in, grab the essentials, and leave with your wallet intact, Aldi remains the clear winner. And unlike many other discount retailers, Aldi doesn't rely on constant sales or loyalty cards. The low price you see is the everyday price, and that simplicity resonates with shoppers who are tired of chasing coupons and clipping deals. The price battle is real, but once you compare receipts, the math becomes clear. Aldi offers consistently lower prices on the things people buy most, and if you're watching your grocery budget, that's where the real victory lies. What to buy? Aldi's can't miss deals. Aldi's real power lies in the categories where it completely dominates value and taste. And if you shop the right way, these are the products that will stretch your grocery dollars the furthest. Their award-winning wines like the Winking Owl or the quarter-cut bourbon barrel-aged Cabernet are cult favorites for a reason. They taste far above their price tag and are perfect for budget-conscious entertaining. Cheese lovers will find incredible options from all over the world, including Brie Gouda and cheddar at prices that beat most supermarkets by a mile. At the end of the day, Aldi isn't just another grocery store, it's a strategy. It's a streamlined, no-nonsense place where every decision from the layout to the packaging is made with efficiency and savings in mind. And when you understand how the system works, from timing your trips to sticking with core staples to knowing which categories offer the best value, you become the kind of shopper Aldi was built for. In a world where grocery prices seem to climb every month, Aldi gives you a way to fight back without sacrificing quality. It rewards planning over impulse, simplicity over flash, and consistency over gimmicks. So, if you're serious about spending smart, Aldi deserves a spot in your weekly routine. Try it for a month, track your savings, and you just might wonder why you ever shopped anywhere else. Thanks for watching Spend Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who's still overspending at the big chains. Until next time, shop smart, live better.